forest. We have to keep protecting it.
Just making sure that all the elephants are in good health, everybody is healthy, everybody is happy.
We've gone out and rescued small pieces of coral, and we've grown them up into much larger colonies.
We are happy to see the small-scale farmers uplifting their living conditions.
We protect our beaches to allow the turtles to be released from them and to have them still pristine, hopefully in 30 years, when the turtles come back to nest.
We at Anantara are always trying to show our guests the sustainable tourism is a key feature for future tourism industry.